Okay, let's talk a little bit about the injection molding machine. Whoops. Um, we we have a machine that plastic comes in, it goes into this big screw, and it pushes it into this open area here. And when you look at the machine, this is referred to as the hopper. Um, this is the plunger cylinder here, the hydraulic cylinder that pushes the plastic and it sends a screw through. These are heater bands right here. So there's a screw inside and it's heating this big, what we refer to as the barrel. Here's the operator's controller right here. This is where we enter in formulas to control this and how the tool opens and closes. Um, let's see here. We want to be able to go ahead and take a look at some things here. This is our mold set right here, and the mold has to fit between these things are called tie bars here. And so it's got to be able to come in either sideways or normally from the top. So this is usually a square pattern. You can see the mold itself is a little bit wider. So there's, just a slight amount of clearance to drop this thing in here. So we open up this side of the platen here. We move this out of the way, and this this side opens up, and this is the movable side, and this one's stationary right here. Here's the barrel that's coming in. So this is all hot right here, and this little nozzle comes in and it butts up against the mold, and it shoots plastic into the mold here. So this is um, the cavity here. So what I thought I'd do is take a look at this and cut it open with our 3D tool here. So we can go ahead and cut a section view through here. And some of the mechanisms that you see back here, um, this is a toggle arm here that when it um, when it pushes it can make this clamp forward and travel, and this side of the mold would be attached to here. This is our knockout bar that strikes the ejector plate. So these are ejector plates right here, and they're usually in the back position, and this is all the way forward. So there's a bar that hooks through here, and it strikes the part off of that. So down here we can see the nozzle, and the screw pushes the plastic all the way in, and the nozzle butts up against the tool and pushes it down through this little sprue right here into the cavity. So that's kind of an overview of the molding machine. So plastic comes in through the hopper, gets color and gets mixed here, comes down in. The screw starts turning, and then this syringe pushes it forward. It's kind of like a syringe that you would use as a needle to receive medicine, and it pushes it all in. And then this is the ejector side, which opens and closes, and then it knocks out the tool. So that's just a quick overview of a molding machine, and hopefully you learned something there. Thank you.